If you're struggling to get your first 10 paying clients, you're doing it wrong, and I don't blame you. Most advices out there is complete garbage. Let me make this simple. If you don't have clients, you don't have business. And if you keep waiting for clients to magically DM you, you will be waiting forever. The good news? There's a proven step-by-step system that works fast, and I'm about to give it to you. No fluff, no theory, just real actionable steps that will get you paid this week. Most people fail because they waste time on the wrong things. Here's what you should stop doing immediately if you actually want clients. Biggest mistake, stopping you from getting clients. Waiting for clients to come to you. You must hunt, not hope. Selling too many things at once. Confused people don't buy. Trying to build a brand before making money. Branding is for after you get results. Quick fix. Pick one skill. Find one audience that needs it. Sell one clear solution. The simple 3-step system. Step 1. Pick a high-value offer. If your offer isn't clear, people won't buy. Period. So here's how to fix that. Social media management. Running Instagram, TikTok profiles for businesses. Content creation. Video, carousels, captions. Copywriting and funnels. Writing sales page that convert. Lead generation. Finding clients for other businesses. Editing and design service. Example, instead of saying, I do social media, say, I help fitness coaches get 10K plus followers and convert them into paying clients with short-form content. Your first 10 clients are not random people. They are already looking for help. You just need to put yourself in front of them. Where to find your clients for free? Facebook groups. Business owners literally asking for help. LinkedIn and Twitter, or X. People posting their struggles. Instagram and TikTok comments. People asking questions under big creators' posts. Cold email and DMs. Direct outreach equals faster results. The 3-step sales formula. Ask about their problem. People love talking about themselves. Offer a simple solution, no fluff, just results. Make a low-risk offer. Remove objection, make it no-brainer. Example offer. I normally charge $500 a month, but for my first few clients, I'm offering it at $250 for the first month. No risk, just results. Now, I'm not just giving a strategy. I'm giving you a challenge. 7-day plan to land your first 10 clients. Day 1 to 2. Send 50 plus target DMs. Day 3 to 5. Get 3 to 5 calls booked. Day 6 to 7. Close at least 2 clients. Listen. The only difference between you and someone making money, taking action. I just gave you the exact blueprint. The question is, are you going to use it? Your next steps. Pick your offer today. Send 50 DMs now. Book your first sales call this week. If you want my exact scripts and DM outreach guide, hit the link below so you can download it for free. Comment clients if you are taking action today.